Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I'm your mathematics teacher Shamoon. I welcome you all in the DPS Sahiwal online classes. Nowadays we people are learning division. Till now we people have learned how to divide 2 and 3 digit numbers by 1 digit. So today we will learn how to divide 2 and 3 digit numbers by 10. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to divide 2 and 3 digit numbers by 10. Before starting our new lesson, we revise what we have learned previously. Do you remember? What is division? Yes, division is equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers. Next, solve 27 divided by 5. 27 is dividend over here and 5 is divisor. So when to divide, dividend is written inside and divisor is written outside. 5 is divisor and 27 is dividend. Now we will read the table of 5. हमने 5 का टेबल वहां तक पढ़ना है कि 27 से छोटा नंबर आए. So 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. We cannot read because 30 would be greater than 27. Now in next step we'll subtract 25 from 27. So what is the answer? 2. Now 2 is remainder over here. We again revise some terms. 5 is divisor, 27 is dividend, 5 is quotient and 2 is remainder. Now we move on to our next concept. What is that? Dividing 2 and 3 digit numbers by 10. The method of dividing 2 and 3 digit numbers by 10 is same as you have learned before. 23 divided by 10. 23 is dividend and 10 is divisor. Divisor is written outside and dividend is written inside. Now we will read the table of 10. 10 2s are 20. We cannot write 10 3s are 30 here because 30 would be greater than 23. We have to write a number which is smaller than 23. So 10 2s are 20. Now next step is 23 minus 20. So 3 is remainder. How we will write answer? 23 divided by 10 is equal to 2 remainder 3. See, 3 is at one's place and it is the remainder. And the number left to 3 is 2, that is written as quotient. Now see the next question. This is a 3-digit number, 233 divided by 10. Same method, 233 is written inside and 10 is written outside. 10 2s are 20 and 23 minus 20 gives the answer 3. Now we will take this 3 down. Now this number is 33. We will again read the table of 10. 10 3s are 30 and 33 minus 30 is 3. How we will write the answer? 233 divided by 10 is equal to 23 remainder 3. Again see carefully. This 3 is at one's place and it is written as remainder. And this 23 is left to it and it is the quotient. We can also divide any number by 10 without performing division. See how. When a number is divided by 10, the digit on its ones place forms the remainder and the remaining digit forms the quotient. कि जब भी किसी नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वंस की प्लेस पे जो डिजिट होता है वो रिमाइंडर बन जाता है और जो लेफ्ट साइड पे जो बाकी नंबर रह जाते हैं वो क्वोशिएंट बन जाते हैं. See this example again. I told you here that in 233 divided by 10, this 3 is remainder and the numbers left to it 23, that is quotient. So हमें पता चल जाएगा किसी भी नंबर को देखते हुए कि अगर वो 10 से डिवाइड होगा तो आंसर क्या आएगा. Now see some more examples. Find out the quotient and remainder of the following. And we do not have to properly divide it. We will just see and observe how the answer comes. Here is our first question. What is the question? 38 divided by 10. The number at ones place is remainder and the number left to it would be quotient. So 3 is quotient and 8 is remainder. What is the answer? Answer is 3 remainder 8. Second question. 469 divided by 10. Now this is a 3-digit number. What is the number which is at ones place? That is 9. So 9 would be remainder and the rest of the two numbers would be quotient. 46 quotient and 9 remainder. Answer is 46 remainder 9. Now some more examples. 80 divided by 10. 0 is at ones place, so it would be remainder and the number left to it is 8 and 8 would be quotient. Similarly, 100 divided by 10. 0 is at ones place, it would be remainder and this 10 would be quotient. 72 divided by 10 is 7 remainder 2. 2 is at ones place and 7 is left to it. It is the quotient. So 7 remainder 2. 756 divided by 10. 6 is at ones place. It is remainder and the number left to it is 75 and 75 would be quotient. Hopefully you people are very much clear how to divide any number by 10. You can use this rule for 4-digit numbers as well. So let's revise what we have done till now. To divide a number by 10, we move that number one column to the right. किसी भी नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड करने के लिए हम उस नंबर को एक कॉलम राइट की तरफ ले आते हैं, यानी कि 10 की जो प्लेस पे नंबर था वो वंस की प्लेस पर आ जाएगा. The digit on the extreme right will be the remainder and the numbers to the left of it will be the quotient. जो एक्सट्रीम राइट साइड पे नंबर है वो रिमाइंडर बन जाएगा और उसके लेफ्ट वाले नंबर क्वोशिएंट बन जाएंगे. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल कि एक्सट्रीम राइट पे वही नंबर होता है जो वंस की प्लेस पे होता है. सो दैट वुड बी रिमाइंडर. Can you fill these blanks? What is the first blank? 78 divided by dash is equal to 7 remainder 8. 78 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 7 रिमाइंडर 8 आएगा. वेरी गुड. इट वुड बी 10. 78 को 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 7 रिमाइंडर 8 आएगा. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट प्लान. Dash divided by 10 is equal to 48 remainder 8. Simple सी बात है. Just remove R. The number would be 488. So 488 divided by 10 is equal to 48 remainder 8. Next blank. 49 divided by dash is 4 remainder 9. Guess? Yes, 10. 49 divided by 10 is equal to 4 remainder 9. Now solve this. 756 divided by 10. Again, 6 is at ones place, so it is remainder, and the numbers left to it is 75. 75 would be quotient. 88 divided by 10 is equal to 8 remainder 8. 8 is at ones place, so it is remainder, and this 8 would be quotient. Hopefully you people are very much clear about it. So let's practice some questions at home. Page number 94, question number 7 and 8. Thank you. Have a nice day.